Amazon, as an e-commerce leader, offers different business models and attracts various tastes in business. Suppose a former employee has a limited budget but wants to be his boss. In that case, Amazon can give him a company and reduce initial costs, or if a manufacturer looks for shoppers across the world, Amazon is an excellent platform to catch customers' attention. But this diversity can be confusing when it comes to starting a business. Different Amazon business models are private label, wholesale, retail arbitrage, dropshipping, handmade, online arbitrage. What is online arbitrage? Online arbitrage is the act of buying something online from online retailers like Walmart and sells it on an online marketplace like Amazon for a profit. It seems all you need is a computer, yes and no. Online arbitrage isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you don't want to end up out of pocket and holding plenty of inventory that you can't sell, you need tools, data, and a systematic approach to identifying profitable deals. This business model is largely the same as retail arbitrage. However, everything is on the internet in online arbitrage, from searching for profitable deals and listing them to sourcing, selling, and shipping them. You don't need to check the physical stores, and you are not limited to your local sales, but you can source your products from all over the world. That's why online arbitrage is much easier than retail arbitrage. This business model allows you to work remotely from everywhere at any time. What are different types of Amazon online arbitrage? Sellers do two types of online arbitrage on Amazon: fulfillment by merchant, FBM, fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. In FBM, the seller is responsible for storing the items and packing and shipping it when an order is placed. It's a cumbersome process and needs a considerable amount of time as well as space. It's a good model for the newbies who don't have many orders and products. But as the business gets expanded, storing items needs many rooms, preparing them for shipping becomes more time-consuming, and the entire process can spoil the whole day, as the seller cannot focus on the business. But because you see your inventory, you can check unsold old items to prevent sourcing the same things in future loss. Amazon offers an outstanding service called FBA. In FBA, the seller passes picking, packing, and shipping onto Amazon and focuses on essential aspects of business like finding profitable deals and fixing the errors. FBA, or fulfillment by Amazon, is one of Amazon's services to third-party sellers to ship and fulfill their orders easier. Its rule is easy. You sell the product, Amazon sends it. In addition to shipping, Amazon stores your products, packs them, or even follows up on customer complaints, including refunds and returns. Amazon works with third-party sellers, but in 2020, nearly half of all Amazon sales came from third-party sellers and not Amazon directly. It can make selling on Amazon much more straightforward, bring you Prime benefits, and increase the chance of winning buy box. But Amazon FBA business isn't a free service. It would help if you balance between what you gain from this business and what you pay. In addition, Amazon's labeling policy is strict, and every item should have individual labels to be sent to Amazon warehouses. How to find profitable deals? The critical parameter to boost Amazon's online arbitrage business is finding profitable deals. Some sellers use to surf the web to find good deals on famous online stores. Another group uses analyzing and scraping tools to look for low-price, high-demand items. The previous methods are time-consuming and can't meet busy sellers' demands. Sellers who are scaling their business need to focus on managing aspects and improving knowledge and strategy, so they can either hire a team of virtual assistants or purchase profitable leads from experienced companies. It would be best to find great deals before starting your business on Amazon or other marketplaces. It's crucial to choose profitable items, so the sellers use analyzing tools alongside various methods to increase their sales and have a successful business. Purchasing online arbitrage leads list is a hassle-free method to source your items. Every day you can find low-price or discounted items from different online stores without spending many hours searching and analyzing. Amazon sourcing leads are created by experts in software and online tools, and it can reduce the possible errors. The ROI of the leads list can vary from 10% to 100% based on the provider company. So before buying any service, make sure the service can make you happy. Before starting your business, find the profit margin that fits your condition. Sale number is another important parameter that can show how fast an item is sold. The price history has a crucial role in online arbitrage deals. If a product is profitable right now, it doesn't mean it was always beneficial and can be in the future. Price history can ensure the sellers that the items they are buying are risk-free as much as possible. Here we took a brief look at the best ways to make money from Amazon and discussed different business models and their pros and cons. In addition, We introduced different kinds of profitable sourcing products that can suit other sellers and levels of business.